Hello, this video is for TX Powersports in Texas, and this is my DB14 that my son has bought for himself, and I'm going to describe the problem it's having. The bike runs, shifts great, but after a little while there's a vent on top of the engine back here, and a tube that comes out of it and goes to the end of the breather. And what happens is, after you ride it for a few minutes, it starts pushing oil up into this breather and dripping out and making the bike smoke and die and act up. And I want to show you what oil I'm running. I'm running the Castrol GTX. This is standard motor oil, non-synthetic. There's the API service on there. It is not resource conserving. It's non-resource conserving oil. And this engine is cold. It has not been run today. And I'm going to stand it up and check the oil. And hopefully you can see it's showing that it is almost full. And if I'm supposed to screw it in, which is the way I always taught to do it, then it is also showing, it is showing full that way as well. All is clean, and I'm going to tighten it as normal. And I'm going to pause this video while I ride it around, and then when I come back I'll show you what it's doing. This is after about 10 minutes of riding, and not hard riding either. It starts oiling up the oil filter and then dying. And you can see it's coming out of that. It's coming right out of there, right out of the crankcase. It starts building up and then pressures its way out. I've done this since day one. That's what I wanted you to see. And you don't have to ride it hard to cause this to happen. Just drive it around for a little while and then it'll start spewing. Now it looks like it's starting to leak up there. It's pushing it right out of the crankcase tube, right into the breather. What I'm afraid is going to happen is it's going to blow the seals. And here's the pressure. Alright. The bike's great other than that. We love it. We just need to know what to do to fix it. That's just normal riding. You don't have to ride it hard to make it do it. And when you take this breather line off and try to put air through the crankcase, you can't, either direction. We're afraid to ride it too much because it keeps pushing oil out. And we don't want to run the bike. So I hope this is enough video to understand the problem we're having with it. Okay, thank you.